Swimming at the 2020 Summer Paralympics. Swimming at the 2020 Summer Paralympics will be held at the Tokyo Aquatics Centre. There will be 146 events, 76 male, 67 female, 3 mixed relay events, 6 fewer events than the 2016 Summer Paralympics. Swimming is the second largest sport behind athletics and ahead of table tennis. The 2020 Summer Olympic and Paralympic Games were postponed to 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. They will keep the 2020 name and be held 24 August to 5 September 2021. Qualification. Qualification starts from 1 October 2018 and finishes on 1 August 2021. Classes. There are 3 swimming sport class prefixes for swimming strokes. S is for freestyle, butterfly and backstroke events. SB is for breaststroke. SM is for individual medley events. As well as swimming strokes, they are also divided into 10 different categories. Postponed swimmers who may have tetraplegia or some form of loss of muscular power in their legs, arms, and hands. These swimmers would regularly use a wheelchair. S2/S-boned swimmers who may have limited function in their hands, trunk, and legs and mainly rely on their arms to swim. S3/SB2 swimmers who have leg or arm amputations have severe coordination problems. S4/SB3 swimmers who have function in their hands and arms but can't use their trunk or legs to swim, or they have 3 amputated limbs. S5/SB4 swimmers who have hemiplegia, paraplegia, or short stature. S6/SB5 swimmers who have short stature or arm amputations or some form of coordination problem on one side of their body. S7/SB6 swimmers who have one leg and one arm amputation on opposite side or paralysis on one side of their body. These swimmers have full control of their arms and trunk but variable function in their legs. S8/SB7 swimmers who have a single amputation or restrictive movement in their hip, knee, and ankle joints. S9/SB8 swimmers who have joint restrictions in one leg or double below the knee amputations. S10/SB9 swimmers who have minor physical impairments, for example, loss of one hand. S11/SB11 swimmers who have severe visual impairments and have very low or no light perception, such as blindness. They are required to wear blackened goggles to compete. They use tappers when competing in swimming events. S12/SB12 swimmers who have moderate visual impairment and have a visual field of less than 5 degrees radius. They are required to wear blackened goggles to compete. They may wish to use a tapper. S13/SB13 swimmers who have minor visual impairment and have high visual acuity. They are required to wear blackened goggles to compete. They may wish to use a tapper. S14/SB14 swimmers who have intellectual impairment. For relay races, the sum of their individual swimmers' classes must not exceed the stated points total. For example, 3 sate swimmers and an stand swimmer is a valid combination for 34-point freestyle. Relay 8 + 8 + 8 + 10 = 34. Qualified nations. As of March 2020. Schedule. All heat events take place during the morning sessions from 9:00 to 11:45, and the finals take place during the evening sessions from 17:00 to 21:00 on the same day. Medal table. Source: